Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer brand visuals into Customer.io campaigns, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring brand visuals into your Customer.io campaigns, log into your Customer.io account. Navigate to the Campaigns section in the dashboard. Select the campaign where you want to incorporate brand visuals. Open the email editor for that specific campaign. In the email editor, look for the styling panel on the right side. Here, you can adjust font styles, colors, and sizes that align with your brand identity. To add images, click on the image block in the content area. Upload your brand logo by selecting Upload Image and choosing the file from your device. Once the logo is uploaded, you can adjust its size and alignment within the editor. Next, add any additional brand visuals, such as banners or icons, using the same upload method. Ensure that all visuals reflect your brand's color palette and design aesthetic. After adding images, preview the email to check how visuals look on different devices. Make any necessary adjustments to image placement and text wrapping for better readability. Once satisfied with the layout, proceed to edit the email's text content to ensure brand voice consistency. Incorporate specific calls to action using buttons styled with your brand colors. Before finalizing your campaign, make sure to send a test email to yourself. Review the test email carefully to confirm that all visuals are displaying correctly. Once everything meets your expectations, save your changes. Finally, schedule or activate your campaign for sending. Your brand visuals are now successfully integrated into your Customer.io campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.